Custom artwork starts with an email requesting, in this case, a letter with ducks and the colour green in it. So I look on Pinterest, find some ducks, and then I put all of the plans that I have into my commission book. I also track my time in here, so every time I finish painting a little bit more on this piece, I write down how long it's taken. That helps me to quote the next time I have custom artwork to do. All of the paint in this piece is Winsor & Newton professional watercolour, and all of the brushes are Princeton. I wasn't sure what sort of ducks this girl likes, so I put a few different ducks into it. Watercolour takes a lot of layers to build up some definition, so I painted this over quite a few different days. What I like to do with custom artwork is I take photographs all the way through so that I can send progress photos to my client and make sure that they're happy with the work. Usually when someone commissions some art, they've got something really specific in mind that they want. So I'm trying to match that up. So I send the photos through just to make sure that my client is happy and that I'm on the right track. With a piece like this, I really want the ducks to be the hero of this artwork. So because green's been requested as a background colour, I'm going to make sure that I get the ducks done first. Make sure I'm happy with those, make sure the client's happy with them. And then for all of the background, I'm going to use the same colour. It's all a sap green. By adding more water, it becomes a bit lighter. Adding less water, it becomes a bit darker. But that way the background doesn't take over from the ducks. So I've sent an email again, just making sure that my client's happy with the work. Make sure this is what she had in mind. This is a Princeton Round 2 brush. It's a heritage range. They're my go-to brushes. A Princeton Round 2 and a Round 6. And these brown handled ones are a cheaper Princeton brush. They really retain their shape well, so I use them for detailed work. This artwork is 8x10, which is a great size because you can get it framed. It's the same size as a photograph. It's easy for the client to frame it. I've tracked my time the whole way through, and now I'm just using a paper trimmer to cut it down to the 8x10 size. And I'm getting it ready to give.